Jafar.
Hi Albina.
How are you?
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up?
Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up?
You were smoking?
Yeah. And?
Why?
It's cool. It's cool, right?
Have you ever seen any of the artists in the cool movie smoking?
Which movie?
All of them.
This is Spa! Spa!
Hey, dude, are you alright? Harry Potter!
Excuse me.
Jack, I wanna say that I love.
You love me here?
Good father. What?
Why you wanna kill me?
Because you have a throat cancer? Told ya.
Seriously guys, I don't really care what you think, you know,